Welcome to My Beauty. And today, first off, I got a new cardigan. Y'all like it? Or
bougie ass.
Shut up, okay? I love my cardigans. Anyway, we're doing hummus today, so we're gonna do 3 different hummuses, or I don't know what it is. Is it hummuses?
I would assume so.
Okay, whatever. So first we're gonna do a classic hummus. And if y'all don't know what hummus actually just means chickpea, I believe. But when you hear hummus, you think of the actual like hummus spread, whatever. Anyway, so we're gonna take 1 can of chickpeas. And what I did is these are peeled chickpeas. So all I did was take these individual, and it was a pain in the ass, but I just peeled them individually. You don't have to peel your chickpeas, but it does make the hummus more smooth and creamy. So we got 1 can of chickpeas. Do I remember my ingredients? Okay. What?
Well, what's that?
I'm trying to say, but you're interrupting me. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You got 2 tablespoons of water. We got half of a lemon. Oop.
Look at you.
So, got that. We got 1/4 cup of tahini, which is just a sesame seed paste. If you don't know where to get tahini, I actually got it at Walmart in the peanut butter and jelly section. Yeah, on top. And if you can't find it at Walmart or something like that, just try Asian Food Market. They'll probably have it. Okay, then I got 1 clove of garlic. Got a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna do, I like a lot of cumin in it, so we're gonna do a teaspoon of cumin. And that's it. And you're gonna blend this up until it's smooth. Okay, so that's your done hummus. Now you can always add more or less seasonings depending on your taste. Just gonna taste it. Yep, seems fine to me. And pour this in a bowl. This one's and you can garnish this however you like. So you got a sprinkle. Okay.
Yummy. Smooth, creamy.
Okay. Alright, and so then I'm gonna take, I don't like a whole lot of olive oil because I've seen people drench this in olive oil. So we're gonna drizzle it. Put olive oil on top. And right here we got some paprika. And just for some color. Brush it with some tomato and cucumber. Alright, and that is your regular hummus, and now we're gonna go over to our next one. I'll be back. Hi, welcome back, and we're doing roasted garlic and herb hummus. So That's empty. Got another can of chickpeas here. Oops.
Don't spill it when you make it.
Don't spill it when you make it. Okay. So that we're gonna do a tablespoon of olive oil again. 2 tablespoons of water again. Half of a lemon again. Okay, then we're gonna do the half a teaspoon of salt. So guys, with this recipe, you can change it how you want as far as the herbs go. I have some thyme, rosemary, and green onion or chives. I just got a little of each because they're all like fresh, and so they can be really overpowering. So, and that's parsley. We're just gonna use that for garnish. And I have some roasted garlic here. All I did was drizzle this with olive oil, and I put it in the oven on 350 for like 15 minutes. So put about 3 or 4 roasted pieces of garlic in there. And don't forget the tahini. And we're gonna blend this up. Oops. Look at you. Alright. So we're gonna do a taste test. Could use a little bit more herbs, but it is what it is.
So not empowering.
It just depends on your taste. Ooh, I got a bite of thyme, however you say it. Just then.
Something we don't have enough of.
Shut up. Where's mine? Alright, so I'll put this in our bowl. I don't like to waste hummus, y'all.
Oh yeah, look at all that. For you baby stomachs out there.
Wait, what's your problem?
You.
Alright, just like we did with the last one, only our garnishes are going to be different. We're still going to do the olive oil. So, this all. Not too much. Olive oil, and we're going to garnish this with some parsley. Fresh parsley if you have it. And I got some nice red pepper here.
Colorful.
Colorful. And we have some toasted pine nuts. And all you gotta do is get some pine nuts, put a little bit of oil in the pan, and toast them until they're brown. Not hard. And that, you have your roasted garlic and herb hummus. Okay, and now we're gonna go to the next one. Okay guys, we're back, and now we're doing a cilantro and jalapeno hummus. So, again, 1 can of chickpeas. I didn't drop them that time. Again, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Don't listen to me, it's 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of water. And instead of lemon this time, we're doing lime. So you're just gonna put a whole lime in here, if I can get it to squeeze out. All right.
Smells good.
And so we got 1 jalapeno chopped up. And we got a 1/3 cup of chopped up cilantro. And half a teaspoon of salt. And of course, the tahini. All right, we're gonna blend it up. Okay, guys. I'm gonna give this a taste.
Good.
Very tangy. It's good though. It's just tangy. Never used lime before. I always use lemon in hummus, but that made it a little bit different. So anyway, take this apart as usual. I'm gonna get it off. All right. Put some of this in here. All right. And as always, just a little olive oil. Not a whole lot. And for
poquito.
yes. And for garnish, I have some not so pretty avocados, but they just didn't come out that pretty when I tried to cut them.
They aight.
They aight. You know what? That one's ugly. I don't want to use it. So is that brown? But you know what? It'd be okay. Okay. Then we're gonna do this one with some feta cheese.
A little contrast.
And yeah, I'm using my hands, but this is mine. Shit, ain't nobody else gonna eat it. All right, and then just garnish it with some lime wedges, and that's it. That is your cilantro and jalapeno hummus, or jalapeno cilantro, however you want to say it. But anyway, that's it for this video. Hope it didn't take too long. I don't know what my favorite, probably classic hummus. I like classic hummus. But anyway, yep, there you go. Don't forget to subscribe, darlings, and thank you guys for watching. Love you.